Inviting others to My Home as a member on the LG ThinQ app. If you have created your own home, invite others via the Invite feature. You can easily control and share the products together with the members. Inviting members. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. Tap the top left menu icon on the home screen. Enter Home Settings and select Add Members. Tap Invite Member on the Invite Member screen and select OK when the Invite Member guide pops up. You can either invite via account or invite via QR. If you have chosen Invite via account, enter the LG ThinQ login account information of a person you wish to invite as a member and tap Invite. If that person accepts the invitation, you can start managing products together on the home screen. If you have chosen Invite via QR, you need to be near the person you wish to invite. The QR code will appear on the screen. Open the ThinQ app on the smartphone of a person you wish to invite. Go to Home Settings on the top left menu and tap Home Members. Tap the top right scan icon on the Home Member screen. Let the person invited scan the QR code on your phone with the camera. And you can start controlling the products together with other home members.